So here I am, about to have a taste of Pen-Y-Ghent, which, you see it, it's there. So I'm already lost. Nice farmer helped me find a path, which is quite nice because it's an actual path, but still haven't even touched the sides, I'm not even there yet, and I'm already out of breath. So here we go. So here I am on it at last. So here's the first overcast, but I love that. So that's the view behind me. Still very low. So here we go. So it's definitely windy. It's tough. I'm not even really on it. Okay, so poles are out now. Very windy. Very windy. Quite far up. What amazing people walking this. I'll tell you what, they're just adorable. So let's stop and get some photos. Oh God. See what inside of it. There it is. That's next on the agenda. I've got people coming up now anyway, so I'm gonna go. Okay, so great walk. Nowhere near as challenging as I thought. I'm not up there yet, by the way. I've still got the main peak to do. I'm just at the ascent of actual Pen-Y-Ghent. And the weather, gosh, I can't say. Do you know what? Just do it. Just do this. It's freaking exhilarating. Okay. Oh, I've got so many serious winds. My God. This is blowing an absolute gale. It's rain on me, I know it. So we've got the main ascent now. Nearly there. So as we approach the top, which isn't far away now, the wind is picking up. So close. So last bit. Hardest bit, it's quite far. It's an actual scramble. apologies. Bollocks to you, Pen-Y-Ghent. Bollocks to you. So, I'm delighted to see I'm all the way down now. And this is my way down. God, look at that. Bloody hell, it's worth it. You know, as soon as I get down, I'm going to say, oh, actually, I could do that. I don't know which way I'm going there. I ain't even got a map. I'm just walking. But it's the Yorkshire Three Peaks way. I mean, surely I'll find my way back if I can remember roughly where I parked the car. I might remember, I don't know. Hopefully. But anyway, I'm signing off now because I'm going to have a gorgeous walk down now. Okay, so this is a lot better coming down here. Whoa, look at that. Wow. So there's Pen-Y-Ghent behind me. See you later, alligator. God, why am I even trying to do my hair? I've lost the will to live, I'll tell you that. So this is much better. Love this coming down here. That's the path. And then come down there. And I looked at my phone and I got to say, I was fuming. I've done 5.5 miles. Feels like I've done about 17. So anyway, what I've decided on my walk is that I'm going to I'm still going to do the Three Peaks because I want to do it. But what I'm going to do, and I'll say bollocks to it earlier, but you know, that was in my spirit of fear, is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come up this way, up to the summit of Pen-Y-Ghent, and I'm going to have to come back down this way. So I'm just going to have to remodel it slightly. I don't know what that's going to look like, but I'm going to go and walk Whernside and Ingleborough individually again so I can see what they're like and just see if I can remodel it. Never again am I doing Pen-Y-Ghent that way. Not in a million chuffing years. So down from Pen-Y-Ghent now. There's the view. With Pen-Y-Ghent now a distant memory. Oh, not in my nightmares tonight, it won't be. So this is a really nice bit of the walk. In fact, not really nice, it's absolutely amazing. So I am definitely going to do the Three Peaks, just with a variation on it, because I'm not missing out on this. This is absolutely stunning. So just the path up into, I think it's Horton. I think this comes out on, there's a main road that it comes out on. Look at that. Just look at that. It's just amazing. Amazing. My Pen-Y-Ghent. Okay, so I'm just coming into the last 1.5 miles, coming into Helwyth Bridge, which is where I started. The car's parked there. It's just walking along quite a busy main road, unfortunately. So my thoughts, still wouldn't do Pen-Y-Ghent. So I've got the truck to come in. Still wouldn't do Pen-Y-Ghent up that side again. I'm gonna have to look at the route, but anyway. So my hips are aching. Need to do some yoga, need a hot bath when I get in. Fitness level through the roof. I could go again. Fitness wise, I could go again. So I think my cardio, what's the word? I think my sort of respiratory, oh my god, what's the bloody word? I can't think anyway. My fitness to that level is great. I'm really chuffed. It was only my fear of heights that got in the way, which I can't help. Has it made my fear of heights any better? No, it's made it worse. 100% made it worse. So anyway, signing off. That was my, I will have completed, I think, about 11.2 miles. I've got about a mile to go. I think I'm on 10.2 now, roughly. Just ready for a bath now. And what I have to say, I'm so grateful it didn't rain. That is something for me to say, that I didn't want rain, but that would have been awful if that would have rained. So I had a moment with myself there on that mountain edge that I'll never forget, and I never want to do again.